Yeah. So Naeem, you got in here late. So there's no reason when you come in here, there's no reason for you to go anywhere else because it should be in the bin. Now, if it's ever not in the bin, then you just let me know, okay? Because I know in some bins it's not enough, like based on seating of the other classes, so we might have to move it out of a different bin. But you just gotta let me know. All right, where we at? Liam, Naeem, Rafiq, Kim, Aiden, Channing, Zach, Tamaj, Aiden. You're still not understanding when to talk and when not to talk. Colin. I'm expecting the answers in 3 minutes. Samaj, welcome. It's so good to have you here on time. Are you? Mr. Harrison, I told them from now on to always turn their exit ticket into me because Todd said he didn't get homework, even though Jaden got homework. So I don't really understand that. Because yesterday I was giving out homework as they were turning their exit ticket in. So I did tell Todd he'll have a day. He can do it tonight and turn it in. And we're talking because, and we're talking why. Todd, I'm going to have to print it out for you, okay? Marquise, you're not going to do your work. I at least need you to be quiet. So I'm going to show you one more thing involving elimination today. Just one more technique involving elimination today. Then you will be able to choose how you want to solve the system. Then you will be able, good morning. Then you will be able to choose how you want to solve the system. Unless it specifically tells you. So on your test quiz, it's going to say solve this by substitution. Solve this by elimination. And then it's going to say solve however you want to. Okay, it's going to be 6 problems altogether. You either know it or you don't know it. You will not be able to use your notes. God bless you. You will not be able to use notes. Because it's testing what you know, not what you put in your notes. So that may involve majority of you actually studying tonight. Kwame? Okay. Travis is at the ortho. You want me to make a YouTube video? We're going to do it right now. I'm giving you a second to, one more minute. And you should be able to look at these systems and be able to tell which one would be better to use. So if it tells us an X or Y, what should we use? If it already tells us what an X or Y equals, what should we use? If it already tells us what an X or Y is, what should we use? Colleen, you should use substitution because you already know what one variable is. Grand Rising, thank you so much. So today we're going to be just straight going through them, okay? Marquise, what are you choosing today? You choosing to be a young king? You choosing to be what? Because I can't tell. It's not giving scholar. Do you need anything from me to help you get started? Huh? No. So what are we waiting on? You don't know? Do you need a piece of paper? Okay. Well, you can't say I didn't try. I didn't try. What? Yeah, I did. All right, it's 1 minute after. Let's get started. It's 1 minute after. So for these two, you're going to tell me what to do. What to do for these two. You're going to tell me what to do for these two. So Khalif already told me that we are using Substitution. Kaleem, how do we know we're using substitution? Say it again, Kaleem. Y equals what? Y equals -8. Yes. So anytime it's already telling us with the systems what something equals, what a variable equals already, the easier method would be substitution. Can you use something else? Yes, but you're going to have to do more steps. The goal is not for you to have to do more steps as you are solving these systems. So, tell me what the right, Kaleem.
6x minus 5.
Thank you. If you understand this part that we just did, give me 2 claps. All right, Noah, you didn't clap. Tell me where you confused at. Tell me where you are confused at. I can't hear you. You're confused at the entire thing that we've been doing for 2 weeks. All right. So, anybody else still confused with the entire thing? Anybody else still confused with the entire thing? Not really? All right. No, trust me. There's some other people that's still confused with the entire thing. So I'm going to start. This is a system. This is a system. It's more than one equation. We have 6x minus 5y equals 22. Y equals -8. These are equations. How do we know they're equations? What does it have? It has an equal sign. Basic. Are you good on that part? Next part. It tells us y equals -8. What is y? What is y? Okay, besides that, what is y? If I just had y right here, what is that called? Noah? Noah? It's okay. It's all right. I love the excitement. Noah, what is that y called? It's a variable. So, anytime we know what one of the variables equal, we're going to use substitution. Remember, what are the two, when we're solving systems, what are the 2 things that we can do, class? What are the 2 things that we can do? So, linear combination, which is elimination, and what's the other one? Substitution. So, we don't know those basic things of solving the systems, you are going to be a bit lost. So, there's 2 different ways that we can solve this. Linear combination, also known as elimination, or we can do substitution. When you are given one of the variables, we are going to use substitution. So what Kaleem told us is he read the first equation. Where he saw one of the variables that they gave us, we substitute that value. So we substitute what y is to where y is in that first equation. So we wrote 6x minus 5. Right here on the original it says 5y. But we know y is what? -8. So we substitute this -8 where y is, and we write the rest of the equation. Cool? At this point, we are now at a multi-step equation. So right here, if you ever get confused, here's your wonderful flip chart, multi-step, and we also have your wonderful flip chart on substitution. So I'll get one on elimination too. All right? Now, tell me what to do.
You do 6x by itself first. Then you do everything in the -5 and
Which is?
plus 40.
Let's pause right here. Because this is where we also see a lot of mistakes on your exit tickets. A negative times a negative is what? That is very important that you recognize that the sign in front of the number goes with the number. So -5 times -8 is a positive 40. What else am I writing? Equals 22. Let's pause here. If you understand what we just did, give me 1 clap. All right, Samaj, next up. I'm going to hear vocabulary too. Next up.
Subtract 40 on both sides.
Okay, so what is that 40 called? Okay, let's text somebody in real quick. Armani, what is it called? This 40 is called a coefficient. Is it connected to something? No, what's it called? It's called a constant. So we're going to subtract the constant. What's another word? Undo. So we're going to undo the constant. So Samaj showed us we're going to do -40. What you do on one side of the equation, you do on the other. All of you have calculators, so I do not want to hear the wrong calculation. 22 minus 40 is -18. What am I doing with this 6x?
Bringing it down.
Bringing it down. 6x equals -18. Let's pause here. If you understand what we just did. Give me 2 claps. Awesome. We are now at a 1 step. Arsena? We are now at a 1 step. At this point, we all should know what to do.
Yes, I got it.
Aiden, let Aiden finish. Aiden said he got it. So Aiden, let me know.
You gotta divide, and you put the little line under it, and you do negative.
Be quiet so much. Divide. Go ahead, Aiden. Divide by what?
6.
Why am I dividing by 6?
Because that's the.
What is this 6 called? Do you know what the 6 is called?
No.
All right, let's help him. What's 6 called? Coefficient. So when you see that number in variable, the number in front is called a coefficient. So we are undoing the coefficient. Aiden, what does x equal? You have a calculator. I don't want to hear the wrong answer.
Yes, it's weird. It's not working.
-3. -3. Clap 2 times if you understand how we got that. Do we need to do anything else for our solution?
No.
What's my answer? What's my answer, Armani? -3, -8. We didn't have to do anything extra because they already told us what y equals. In this specific problem, y equaled the number. It was not an equation. So we only had to do 1 step in the substitution problem. Remember, your answer is always an ordered pair. What is this -3 and -8 telling me? If I look at a graph, what is that ordered pair telling me, Armani? It is the solution. What does that mean? So we can't just solve the problem just to solve them. What does this mean? Excuse me, he raised his hand, Zach. That is where the 2 lines cross. That is where they intersect. Great job. Remember, we're still doing the 10 stickers. 10 stickers for boys like honey. We're still doing that. Questions on A. On your exit ticket today, there will be a substitution problem and an elimination problem. Any questions on A?
And you said it's not no.
Any questions? Okay, moving on. All right, so now we have 9x. I'm gonna clear this. Somebody read B to me. What did it say?
9x -2y equals -1.
9x minus 2y equals what?
-2x.
What's the next one?
2x plus 3y equals 2y.
2x plus 3y equals 16. So yesterday, this I want us to solve by elimination. Yesterday when we were doing elimination, we only had to tackle one of the equations to make it opposite. There will be times where you need to choose a number, a multiple, or a factor in order, let's say a factor. You'll have to choose a factor and you'll have to multiply it with both equations in order for you to be able to eliminate. It's up to you whether you want to work on the x's or the y's. I would say for smaller numbers, the y's would be easiest to eliminate, but you tell me. You tell me what you think we should do. The x. All right. Okay. Did you ask me for something? You didn't. All right, so we are working with the x or we're eliminating the x. What are we doing? We want to solve for x or we want to solve for y? We want to eliminate it. So we are eliminated. What is a number do not call out that we can turn these x's into? Noah? How can I turn that 9 into a 3? What number can I turn these x's into so that they can be opposites? Do not call out. Samaj?
This is going to be opposites?
Yeah.
-2.
So what do you want me to multiply by -2? Which equation? Alright, so you want me to do -2 here. Wait a minute. I like that. I'll see them. Alright, so if I do, let's do one equation at a time. So remember, we do -2. What am I doing with that -2? Doing what with all of them? Multiplying. So I'm distributing this -2 to all of those terms. Class, -2 times 9x is what?
18x.
Excuse me?
Negative.
Negative 18x.
Oh.
Negative 2 times negative 2y is what?
4. So 4.
4. Negative times a negative. So plus 4y equals, what is negative 2 times negative 21?
42.
42. We're going to pause here. We're going to pause here. I need, y'all said we getting rid of x's. That's what y'all told me. So what can I multiply this 2x by so it's opposite of negative 18x? Kwame? 9. And Kwame, what am I doing with that 9? All right, can we use the word distribute? I like that word.
Distribute sound like everything.
Why does it sound dirty, Arsino?
I don't like that.
Okay. We're going to distribute this 9 to each term. 9 times 2x is what? 18x. Thank you, Colin. 9 times 3y is what?
27.
27y. Thank you. And 9 times 16. Use your calculators.
144.
Hold on one second.
Wait.
What's up? How can I help you? Come in. Be quiet.
Where I get on these? Breeze.
Your class needs scissors?
And?
Arsino, stop it. We have scissors?
No.
Miss Harrison, we don't have to do scissors anymore. I heard Emmanuel. You guys say Emmanuel?
You must be thinking about him.
I love Emmanuel.
Oh my.
Alright,
I had a question.
let's pause. Aiden has a question.
Yeah, I got
Pause. I'm waiting on y'all. Remember, I know how to do it.
It's 9 and it's 2, and I see that.
Hold on. Go ahead,
You
Aiden.
like did it was opposite. So why is the 9 not negative?
Because we have to make these negative. So if I made that 9 negative, they're both negative 18x.
Oh, because you have to make them opposite.
We have to. There we go. Marquise, I see you're in a singing mood. No, I'm about to get you out of here. Be quiet. Be quiet. All right, Marquise. Marquise.
It's not that deep.
It really isn't. No. Now, continue. You should be able to rock out now. What are you eliminating?
18.
Negative
18x.
4 plus 27y is what? 31 what? 42 plus 144 is what? 186. If you understand what we just did, give me 2 claps. Alright, I'm not hearing a bunch of claps. I'm gonna say it one more time because I want us to all be on the same page. You have a question? 31y. 4 plus 27. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Aiden, what's your question?
So we had an option to choose whichever one you wanted to be negative.
You had the option to choose which one you wanted to eliminate. And the class shows they wanted to eliminate x, so that's why we focused on the x. Yeah. We wanted to eliminate x tomorrow. We eliminated x. Alright. Next up, what am I doing? Put the earpieces back in the situation. Thank you. Quentin? Hold on 1 second. Let me talk. Divided. Thank you so much. What we divided by?
31.
Samad, I don't want to hear that. White was what? 6.
Yeah, I had wait.
Watch your mouth. You want to be popped in your mouth with that ruler? I wouldn't do that. I love my job too much. I wouldn't do that.
Why are you lying? You
Put the rulers back. So maybe we only can have them available for summer grade class. I'm trying to see what class can handle supplies being in front of them. If you're not
this
using
table
them,
can handle it. There's only one person.
we're sitting here, we should be solving for x. We know what to do now. So you can take either your new equation or your original equations. I'm going to take this bottom one. So 2x plus 3y equals 16.
And we just did it on the other one, so no, I do.
2x plus 3. What is y, class? 6. Equals 16. Aiden, what I'm doing?
Hold on. I'm finishing this job.
I got shut up. Wow.
Arsino, could you please be quiet? What's your question? Because I didn't see a hand raised and know you were asking anything.
I realized that where you got it.
Okay.
These two to shut up.
Okay, we can ignore it, right? We can ignore it, right? Thank you. Are you wearing a fancy throw on Friday? Yeah.
Wait, Friday? I did. Yeah.
Yeah. What color throw you wearing?
It's baby blue.
Oh, you hear that? He's wearing Sean John baby blue. Anytime I think of baby blue, I think of Sean John. Is that still out? That brand's still out?
No. What is that?
All right, what is that? Great job. So then we get 2x plus 18 equals 16.
Negative 18.
Minus 18 minus 18.
Negative 2.
One second. 2x equals negative 2. 2, x equals negative 1. Come here, Elijah.
Take it off.
Negative 1 and 6.
Let's stop talking.
Oh, did you get that fresh cut this morning?
Yes, sir.
No, this is girl.
This is Mine is on Friday at 7:40. All right, sit down, gentlemen. Oh, homework? Homework? I collected homework. You coming late without homework?
I didn't know.
You didn't know.
I give it to.
I don't care about
No, you told me you ain't had
homework. Where's your homework?
Your homework at
homework.
You told me you ain't had your homework yesterday, so don't lie.
Oh, you lied to me? I'm serious?
Yup.
I didn't even see that. Time out. I didn't get it. I didn't get it because I can't. When I still was doing my SAT. And he was like, you told us to argue out.
You were in here doing the body stuff at water.
I thought I had it. But then when I was at his house, and I was doing my homework, I didn't know where it was at.
No, but what did I say about that ruler? I dare you to get an attitude. All right, let's do our check. Do the check. So our parent was negative 1.6. Your answer was negative 1.6.
Is the check really necessary?
The check is necessary, especially on your own. It may not be necessary with me because it's right. Yes, you can. You can come up and do the check on my own.
Can we please do notes? Can we please do notes on that? Can we just use this one?
I think about it.
We're in the same area.
Take out a notebook. Come on. Elijah, take out a notebook. No, Elijah. Take out a notebook. I do not want to see your drawings again. You understand me? You.
Me?
You.
You know what? Those drawing be out when you stretch.
Yeah. That means you need a belt on your waist.
Yeah, we don't want to see that.
Always write that. When you're done, write that problem on top.
Oh, them are
I could pull on my.
So you went up there without having
Can I
that?
have one? You say you want the piece?
Miss Love, can I remove this? I can use my notes. I can use my notes.
This is a balanced breakfast. It's a yogurt, blueberry. Blueberry. Oh, Harrison. You saw that email? I forgot. No eating during instruction. I forgot. Was somebody eating a steak or something?
I'm very
It's a bit loud in here. It's a little loud in here. I need it to calm down. Thank you. Somebody turn around. Colleen, take that from around your neck. If people in hell need water, what is your question? Taj, what's your question? That's not a question. I don't have any. You can double check in there, but I don't think I have any napkins. Great job. What is Armani missing? Armani's missing one thing. Open the door. I'm opening the door. Take the whole fish out of there. That right there. That bus is sticking up. Right there. Yep. Go ahead. All right. One clap. Two clap. Somebody's off. I didn't ask y'all to point it out. Let's do it again. One clap.
Stop.
One clap. Two clap. Two stomp. This problem is worth a sticker. Oh no, let's pause. Let's take a. I know you lying.
I asked.
Oh, you had to tell
No, I asked you.
You did not ask me.
Yes, I did. Look, I can on my
Harrison, if I do this to you, what is telling you? If you're asking me something and I do that to you, what is that telling you, Harrison? Wait. That is not saying yes. Nobody has ever told me yes with a finger like this. That means, give me a second. All right, listen. Close your eyes. Be honest. Close your eyes. Clean down, Arcito. Close your eyes. Go. Either you need to get out or do what I'm saying to do. Close your eyes. If I need to do one more problem with the class and it will help you, raise your hand. Hands down. You just came late and you want water.
I said
A Walmart.
Walmart.
See, that's why you don't stop.
This isn't Walmart.
I was getting my business.
All right, we're gonna do one more problem together, only if you're quiet. Well, if you understand it, you can do it by yourself. For those of you who don't, you will follow along with me. There is an exit ticket today. One question will be on substitution. One will be on elimination. Khalid is talking because you have something of his. What exactly do you have to say? Arcino, mind your manners and your business.
You know.
First off, he touched my head, and then after he touched my head, he went to my head.
So just move away from it. Don't touch it.
Oh, I don't know why. We have to get that girl
Stop trying to touch me.
Hold on, I'm giving out correctives.
You told yourself that wasn't
I'm waiting on y'all. Remember, I know how to do it.
She's waiting.
Put that up. Put that in there. You gotta be there. I want you to be quiet. You're on the front row talking while I'm waiting for the class to get quiet. So what did you think I was waiting on? No, I'm not. Shut up. You're talking.
I'm trying to be silent. You talking to me?
So both of you need to have self-control. I'm going to give out a worksheet. That wasn't the original plan, but because we know how to do it, we keep talking, so we know how to do it. That worksheet will be formative. I'm talking. That worksheet will be a formative. Your exit ticket is a formative. So if you want to play with me, I'm gonna play with you. If your neighbor is talking, stand up. If your neighbor is talking, stand up. If your neighbor is talking, stand up. Do not sit down until I tell you to. I'm not answering questions. I want you to use a little bit of logical sense before you ask me a question. So the people that's not standing, that's talking, I'm going to give you a corrective too. Half of you already got red flags. What's up with y'all? Wow. All right. You may sit down. Yeah. I didn't say you were getting corrective. I said you can sit down. Your neighbors, I can clearly hear them talking. They're on the front row. Marquise, are you talking now? Don't be a weirdo. Thank you. You can sit down. No, I slept till 6:30 today. It was amazing. It was so amazing. What's his last name? Nevertheless, Run Club was fun yesterday. Run Club was fun. Zach, can you get it together? You know, usually you're my running partner. Can you get it together? Emmanuel was running with me, but he kept making me laugh. When y'all late, don't come in here. I mean, you in here right now, but if you come again late tomorrow, don't come in here. And I'll be stepping in your math class today because I keep hearing that you're acting up in there. Don't be a clown. Be a young king. All right. What are we eliminating? That's not nice. What are we eliminating? What variable do you want to eliminate? Y. How about what you want to eliminate? So we're eliminating y. That means we are making the y's opposite. Stop talking. If we are eliminating y, that means we are making the y's opposite. Excuse me, we have a question on the floor. Is -8 and 9 opposites or different? They're different.
It's the plus.
They have to have the same number, Aiden. We're going through the same, it's the same thing you asked me yesterday. You got $5 and $6. Is that the opposite or different? If you owe the bank $5 and you have $5, are those opposites or different? No, it's not. It's opposite. Let's pay attention. Let's pay attention because if you don't understand the difference between opposite and different, you're not going to understand how to make them opposite. Because you don't even know. He should take notes on you. Kwame? Kwame? Why'd you say 2? Nine times 2 is 18. Can we multiply anything by 8 to get 18? No, so we know that's not the correct number. Let's try again. Great try. Great try. It's an easy way that you guys can see it. I want you to pick up on it before I tell you. If you multiply by 1, there's still gonna be 6. Armani? By 4? 8 times 4 is what? 9 times 4 is? Don't tell me you don't know. First of all, you should know. But don't tell me you don't know if there's a calculator sitting right on the floor. Khalid, what number did you choose?
2.
Excuse me. Khalid, can you speak louder? But if you choose -4 for the top one, what are you making opposite? So wait, because this is why I need us all to be on the same page. The class said we're eliminating y, which means we need to be thinking of what number can I multiply by 8, what number can I multiply by 9, that they're going to be the same number. One of the numbers we may have to make negative or positive.
Oh.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Kaleem, say it louder. Hold on. So we had some brains in class, so I just wanted to get it.
Why didn't you get to stand up there like I did?
There's no need. We're in the middle of class right now. You have a notebook? Kaleem, go ahead. So if you do negative 9 on top and 8 at the bottom, they're going to be the same number. They're both going to be 72. Remember, we need one of them opposite. So we're going to do 9 at the top and negative 8 at the bottom.
Oh.
No, I told you a story. Negative 9, negative 8. Because that's going to give us a positive 72, that's going to give us a negative 72. Remember, we need them opposite. Now, if you did your numbers differently, but it's still 72, that's okay. You're still going to get the same solution. You still get the same solution.
I just zoned out.
So you want me to repeat myself because you zoned out.
I didn't mean to. It just happened.
Oh, well, you're going to just happen me to figure it out.
You will also do it.
So we're going to distribute now. We're going to distribute. And I want
Me.
Elijah to help me. I feel so bad. You guys are distracted by the same person each day.
Look, y'all all look at the same thing. Instead of the board. Watch.
I'm like the Hall of Famer or something. Somebody that's rich and famous.
I'm waiting for you to give me the answer. I called your name, but you were talking to Rafi.
You gotta do negative 9 times everything on the top.
We already have that. I'm waiting for you to give me the answers. So use your calculator or your brain. Negative 9 times negative 7. What is that? Somebody watch your mouth, please.
He took my calculator.
That doesn't mean you have to talk. 63x. Thank you. Keep on, Elijah.
Negative 72.
There's a negative and a negative. There's a negative.
72y.
Thank you.
Good job.
Negative 9 times 9.
Negative 81.
Thank you so much. Samaj, do the next line for me.
Got you.
32 what?
32x.
Thank you.
Negative 72.
Y.
Y. And 176.
Oh no, right there. Now, depending on how small or large you want to work with the numbers will also determine what you would eliminate. So we now have a positive 72y and a negative 72y.
Cross on the top.
All right, what's 63 plus 32?
95.
95x
I'm
equals negative 81 plus 176. Negative 81 plus 176. 95. Thank you.
now just a one-step equation.
It is now a one-step equation. What are we doing? If I come back here to look at both of your notes, you have everything we've been writing.
X equals 1.
X equals 1.
X equal 1.
I did say that.
I knew it, Miss Love.
Great job. Now, going back to one of your original equations, use one of your original ones because those numbers are smaller. Going back to your original one, Travis wants to use the bottom one. We're going to substitute what number for x? 1. So we have negative 4, parentheses 1.
Parentheses.
Oh, what did I do wrong? I did something wrong. What should you do first? What should you always do first when you're looking for the next answer? What should you always do first?
X equals.
I got that right there. What should you always do first? Put the problem, put the original equation. Always, so you can see what you're filling in. Always put the original equation.
I thought that wasn't right. That's why I said.
Well, you should trust yourself.
I thought those were.
It wasn't because then you would have said it, right?
I think he just.
I'm trying to hear your voice, honestly.
Looking at the board. Cam, look at my board for a second. What's next? I'm talking to the camera. So we did that part already. So we're on this line.
You do -9. -9 y to on both sides.
Why would I do that? Does this have a Y over here?
No, so you got.
I'm talking to Cam. Cam, come up. I can barely see to be an option of that. Hand down.
What is bless? About me.
Remember, when it's a number on this side, you only go to one. So what is a number over here? So it's the opposite. Good job, Cam.
Good job, Cam.
We now have 9y equals 18. Not Rafiq. What am I doing? It's the same negative 18. I apologize. Be quiet, it's Rafiq's turn. And every day I expect the same stuff. That's a negative 18. What does that equal, Rafiq? Negative 18 divided by 9 is what? Negative 18 divided by 9. Negative 2. There's a difference between $2 and negative $2 owing somebody. You got about 30 seconds and then we moving on to the check. You got about 30 seconds, then we moving on to the check. The heat is on. It's taking a while to come on. It's taking a while to warm up. I asked people to turn those fans off. No, I'm up here teaching you that that's not.
Ours is recorded over there on this side. Looking beautiful. Tell him stop playing, bro, for you. Not anymore. No, Travis, you got to chill, bro. I ain't talking about you looking so beautiful today. I know I'm looking beautiful. No, what ain't talking about his love?
They look at me, I'm like.
Alright, have a seat. Have a seat, everyone. Have a seat. Arsena.
I keep never listening, bro.
Who can come up and do the check? Who can come up and do the check? Channing, come up.
I was already up.
You should not be, because I'm saying yes. Channing, you can come do the check. I'm gonna go right
I'm not drawing. Jimmy, you show me right, Jimmy. Bro, stop. She was sitting next to me. See, no, look at my. Yeah, there you go. She's not hugging on. She wanted it. She's not clever. Every time I get a question. She's doing what? She know, look at my hand. Okay, I'll do it. Yo, can you like write better? Because he's making me mad. No, cause what is that?
Be quiet, because that bothers me when we say I can barely see it, but it's on your paper. So if you can't follow what he wrote, you should be able to follow what's on your paper.
We ain't need that help.
Great job, Kenny.
I thought Jenny. I'm sorry.
I bought you some beer. You can't have them.
For real?
Stop looking at me.
Alright, that's what you get for the end of the book.
Who you talking to?
She's talking to me like, oh, he doesn't do anything.
He participated in clown behavior.
No, yeah, after school, that's what we be doing.
I heard some of y'all are a little like druggies. You not. You into sports. You shouldn't be.
That's not me. That's not me.
Well,
They told me in art class. Let me tell you what somebody told me. Be quiet. Be quiet. I'm counting to 1. I better not get to 3. 2. Oh, I feel like I'm at 3. Is that your gum?
Girl, can I get some?
No.
No. Be quiet. So. Oh, so y'all still talking?
What did you have to say about it?
So I was told that in art class. Harrison, look at me. This is what somebody told me the other day. Actually, this is what I was running yesterday. I was running on that in art class. This is what they do. They have something in their hand and they be like, then they come back up like ain't nothing happening. And the crazy part about it is, I believe them. But this is what I'm gonna say. I dare you to do that in my class. I better not even sense that you're trying to do it in my class. Because you will be expelled. Moving on.
Bro, get off the bed. Robbie, what you like?
I ain't saying nothing at all.
No, speak up. Speak up. We said you already did her class, right?
No, louder. See, this is what I'm saying. I will never take, even if I do believe it be some truth, unless I see it, I can't say it. But I hope that if you did do that, you don't have to pause it.
Look at. Just look at.
Right there. Right there.
You're gonna have a problem like this on your exit ticket. There will be a problem like this on your exit ticket. We're doing 2 problems like this, one on your own, then the exit ticket. Mr. Harrison will let me know if he wants y'all to use notes or not. I'm always against notes. So Joey already started us off. He said the Y has the invisible one, so I'm gonna place it there. Who can tell me what I may need to do in order to even start this? Once again, this is something slightly new. So don't feel flustered because like, hey, what I gotta do? I want you to think outside the box.
Wait, why is the Y not? I think we gotta put a parenthesis and put a 6 in there. I think so.
No, but I thank you for trying that. Aiden is along the right path. What he was saying.
What are you talking about?
I said, why it's not matching up with this? Normally it's XX.
Well, we gotta redo it so we can match up.
I'm hearing the answers, but I'm hearing a lot of talking. I'm hearing the answers over here. But what are you doing? But I'm hearing a lot of talking. I'm hearing the answer. Sit in that chair correctly. Colin, tell me what you think I should do. Move them?
Yeah.
All right.
Good job, Colin.
That is correct, Colin. So because we want to solve this with elimination, we're going to move this. So we're going to pay attention because this is where you all are going to make a mistake. What always goes with the number?
I don't know.
I say it all the time.
Bro, what?
All right, be quiet. Thank you, Toby.
The sign.
Where my stickers at?
I said the sign.
Toby said it first. I feel like a little
Aggression, right? Aggression, right?
I need y'all to be quiet. This is on your exit ticket. This is on your exit ticket. Y'all know how y'all, that's when y'all get quiet, because that's when you don't know. When you're lost. Stop. Don't talk to me. The sign goes with the number. So,
Are you talking
can you give me a seat?
I know it's not talking. What?
A seat. Can you give me a chair? So, when you are rearranging a problem, the sign goes with it. Thank you. When you are rearranging a problem, the sign goes with it.
He gonna bring his seat up here.
Does everyone have? I'm about to cross things out. I'm about to cross things out. Because I know some of you be waiting. Don't wait. I'm moving on. This no longer exists. This no longer exists.
Why does that no longer exist?
Because we just moved it around.
You're not paying attention.
Yes, I am. Shut up. Because I did it.
Just the one that
I'm confused on this.
It's the second time I'm giving you the second chance. I ain't saying that too. I'm gonna give you 3 chances. After that, I'm just gonna black out on you, okay?
You got one more chance.
You got one more chance.
I knew that. You ain't have to let me know.
Oh, I didn't wait for you to that.
Alright, so we have negative 6x plus 1y equals 11. Negative 6x plus 2y equals 10. I want to solve this by elimination. There's one, I'm yelling because I feel like y'all talking. And I know there's half of you that actually want to learn it. So, in order to do elimination, there's a few things that I can do, but there's one thing that's really easy that I could do. 5a. Negative 1, great job.
Good job, Scott. What we do?
We're going to multiply this top equation by negative 1. This now gives us, what, Kwame? Uh-huh. Minus 1y equals what? Great job, Kwame. I'm giving you 1 minute. I'm giving you 1 minute because
Let's go!
at this point, the first person who has X and Y, call me over. 2 stickers. 2 stickers. First person that gets X and Y.
That's what I'm saying. But you can't tell me.
don't care who does what. I care about math.
Yeah, work out, go get a money cup.
Why you don't know how to do it yourself?
Alright, I need to get a
My
money
feet. Travis,
Yes.
stop, please, solve the problem. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I respect that you're respecting me. Don't even worry about this nonsense. I can't, because now I have to tell Leach, please be at the 15 stop because they plan on being weirdos.
My man's gonna put chicken on that for you.
If you call me a snitch, then that's what you think, sweetheart.
Called you a snitch. Let's get down to
The reality is some of you are going to fail this class and won't participate in graduation. The reality is some of you may fail 8th grade. That's the reality. So if we want to talk about realities, we could talk about it after school, but right now we're going to talk about this problem. The first person to get X and Y, 2 stickers. And I can guarantee there's about 4 of you who will may get it. And you got to show me a check. You have to show me the check. So show me your answer, show me your check. I want you to be quiet. Every day you're telling me you don't know how to do it, but I don't see the effort. I don't see no effort right now. We still talking? I want you to ignore them. I got my answer. It's not another calculator in there? Let me get you one. No, it's right here. There's no calculators in that bag. I have my answer. I need my answer in the chat. Who said I got it? Okay? And you guys show me your check, okay? Stop screaming.
Don't talk feet.
Talk feet, stop screaming. That's not his name. And you shouldn't call another young man that.
He is a freak boy. He is a freak boy.
You a pervert?
Yes.
No, he's not. I don't know how to do it, but he be doing that little call to the girl.
Oh, freak boy. Boys, free though. We're free. That was fucking good. They're making me uncomfortable.
Go back and check. You're not sure. They look a little.
I'm done. I'm scared.
So figure it out. You're dirty. Stop. It's not even me. It's somebody else. Oh, it's not me. It's literally him.
I watch you.
It's literally him.
It might be
You're dirty. It's not. You have similar numbers. Stop. It's not. It's not. I'm still waiting. Toffee, you got it?
No.
So now we only gonna be able to try to do one more problem. No, you can do that. What's your answer? This your answer? Stop rushing this right sit down. Have a seat. Have a seat. The fact that y'all walking up on me, you're losing your mind. Where you at?
I'm done. I got -2, -1.
He probably already got it first.
Oh my God.
Stand up. This side of the room, stand up.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
What happened? Get him out of here. Get that boy.
That's disrespectful.
One second. Yeah, grab that whole page. You put that whole page back, Todd. Thank you. Stop smacking her. I'm waiting on y'all because this still on the exit ticket. This still on the exit ticket. But you talking. So if you knew it, just why you gotta talk? Why? Because why you have to talk? If you know it. All right, I'm waiting on that class. Because I can, on this side, I can guarantee you 1, 2, 4 of you will pass the exit ticket, 4 or 5 of you on that side. So the rest of you, I think you need to chill. Please. Now, I will say 4 or 5 of you will pass it. 2 or 3 of you actually put forth the effort, and I always give you a passing grade because I can see where you're going, what you're doing. But a few of you just simply fail. Have a seat. So, there's about 3 of you. My name was the first one.
No hands was raised.
So please be quiet. We're going to do one more. We rearrange that problem. I'm about to show you another one where there are times where you have to rearrange the problem in order to solve it. Would it make them lazy not to rearrange, or does it make you lazy that you don't want to rearrange it?
What you talking about?
I'm talking to Toby.
We rearrange it.
Toby, tell the class what we need to do to rearrange that.
You need to put the 4 on the other side.
If I put the 4 on the other side, there's nothing left on that side. So that's telling me we don't want to rearrange it because we don't know how to do it.
No. Put the 3 on the other side.
If I put the 3 on the other side, how is it going to match with the number on the other side?
The invisible one.
So what I'm seeing up here is there's a y and an x. So I need this bottom equation to look like a y and an x. So what do I need to do with this y to get it over here? Minus it on both sides. Please be quiet. I'm getting tired of you calling out every day. Raise your hand if you have something to say. Now, in order for us to make sure the equation looks we want to look at our equations. We want to see if I have one equation, how can I make my other equation look like that? So when we're looking at that one equation, just look at that one equation. Don't look at the other one, okay? You're going to look at the other one when you're trying to compare. So we now have minus y plus 4x equals 3. Minus y, let's put that invisible one there. Minus 1y plus 4x. This is a minus 1y right here. I can't combine. Those aren't like terms. So I have minus 1y plus 4x equals 3. I'm going to write the other equation underneath it. I now have negative 2y plus x equals negative 1. Let me put this invisible one right here for you all. They now have y's, x, solutions. Silent hand, who can tell me what can I do with that top equation or bottom equation? What can I do so that I can eliminate something? It's already rearranged. They already match. Y, x, parentheses what? What am I multiplying?
4.
You want me to multiply 4 where? Negative 4 in this bottom one?
Yes.
All right. Let's do it. So over here, I'm hearing people talk. No, this is the back row talking. It's the back row talking.
And this stinks so bad over there. It's like,
That's not going to help y'all understand this now.
it's making me unfocused.
Come sit here. All right, so I'm going to rewrite our information.
negative 1y plus 4x equals 3. I'm sorry, I can't remember who just Travis did. Travis told me I need to multiply negative 4. What is negative 4 times negative 2y? 8y. I'm just talking to Travis right now. Travis, what's negative 4 times 1? Negative 4. X. Great job. Travis, what's negative 4 times negative 1? 4. Travis, great job, because you now can eliminate your x's.
I'm already knowing.
And I need you to finish it out.
First
First person to give me the answer, 2 stickers.
Wait, for both of them?
And so you have to show your check. So you need to give me X and Y, and you need to show your check. Aiden, what's up? Yes, you may. I would like for y'all to stop talking. Thank you.
We saw them for a while, right?
Taj, you don't have an ounce of work that you can show me. Can you show me an ounce of work? Bring it here. Prove to me. Remember, I need to see your check also. Yo, stop talking.
It's not.
Do you know how many problems we did today? Thank you, much. Kwame, you are eliminated from this round also. That's not, I want to make it fair.
I'm already knowing.
Carson, you got the exit ticket?
I got one more. I'm already knowing.
All right, Travis earned 2 stickers. He got the answer. 1 is correct. 1 is correct. Tomorrow we're going to be counting up stickers tomorrow. So that's why I'm not asking no questions of how many stickers you have. We'll be counting up stickers tomorrow. Let me talk to Miss Harrison for a second.
7 stickers. I don't think.
I got update this.
I got like 7 stickers. We don't care. We don't. I know.
All right, I need. You have a 2-minute break, and then we're doing the exit ticket. You will be able to use your notes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rafiki, get out of my room. Rafiki, get out.
That's about going around.
Get out, my room.
What did I do?
You don't know what you just was doing with life? But y'all hear me? I'm not saying anything.
You know why I said
Is that a calculator in
no,
here?
that's a phone.
Bring it. Bring it.
that 2-minute break.
Bring me your phone. I ain't seen nothing about. Come on. Now,
First,
now
Noah said something on my phone. And then I went in my WhatsApp.
Oh my God.
Right, that's what.
Noah said something on my phone. Then I went in my book bag and he don't got it. And he had it.
Get out! I always gotta tell you over time.
Wait, what they saying? What they saying? Water on you around. Hey, baby, green rays and looking beautiful.
Watch out.
Hey. Go ahead. Okay. Oh yes. Yes, sir. Yes. 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 Yes.
It's 0 people in this joint. Nobody's gonna watch He humping both of y'all at the same time.
I don't get into that. Yay.
What he said? He said, "Hey, babe, grand rising." Travis.
No.
How you text her? You was on your phone?
Yeah, I was on my phone. When I went to orthodontist.
My mommy says I'm special.
You like my voice?
No, sit down. Sit down. Okay, now you just chill.
I don't think you gotta get over the time.
No, over. Get over the seat. Get over the table. Over the table. Outside, right?
We're giving out the exit ticket. No talking. You talk is a zero. You talk is a zero. Why are rulers out? I would expect y'all to behave better with these supplies than the sixth graders, and I'm not seeing the difference. You're in eighth grade. You're in eighth grade. Stop talking. We're giving out the exit ticket. Tomorrow it is the test. Tomorrow you're not using notes, so I hope you study. Because next week is benchmark. I don't want to give you a test on Monday and then benchmark on Wednesday.
I got all these music I can't read them. No, I'm already knowing. Give me knowledge.
Alright, be quiet. When you get this, remember you need the time, not me. When you get this, please put your name on here immediately. I got 2 exit tickets yesterday with no names. Those people got zeros. One of them was actually 100, so I might try to eliminate and figure out who it was. Be quiet. Put your name on here. There's 1 elimination, there's 1 substitution, and Ms. Harrison was kind enough to give you a hint of what you should do first. Say thank you to Ms. Harrison. I'm going to put a bonus on the board. I always say try the bonus. All papers will be collected at 54. Why? Because you need to leave at 55. You cannot use someone else's notes. Use your own notes. You can get started as soon as you get it. Live, sit down. Take one, pass it down. Take one, pass it down. Hey, you holding them up. You take one and pass it down. Noah, you're about to get a sterile because you're talking minding their business. You're minding their business. Should you be talking during the exit ticket? No. Oh, make it clear. That exit ticket is out. So it's not just about whether you got it. Here's my name. You're the weirdest of them all. Okay. I said clown ass. Yeah, I know you don't care. You about to teach me. You don't care. You don't even have to name your finger. Or that's all you can say because you can't say nothing that's gonna make me think anything else. Prove it to me. I don't care who he is, help your homie. That's your homie. Why you not helping him? No, help him outside of this classroom. Help him to be a young king. Help him with his math. Help him to know, like, No. Turn around. Ask me. Don't ask the student. RC, no, I'm gonna give you a 0. Okay, let me just walk around and give zeros. Marquise, you forgot to ask a question. The entire class. What's up? What you need help with? We did substitution and elimination of it, but this is elimination, yes. Turn around again. I don't care what y'all doing. I'm giving you both zeros. I don't care what it is, because y'all been playing our class. And it's Marquise, it actually tells you on that paper too what you need to do.
anytime you're crossing, the thing about it is you're not crossing out, so you're not counting in those classes. So anytime we're canceling out a zero is elimination. What's your question? You can if you want, or you can leave it as a correction, that's up to you. Okay. I'm not giving you assistance, you got a question? Yo! I'm hearing noise over here, I will give you a 0, I'm ready to give out zeros for the disrespect. You don't hear that coming out your mouth? That's you making that noise, stop. You guess you're making a noise? Because the noise isn't coming in. You can move what's on this side. You need to move the number, because the number's on this side. So what you just did, when you move the number, you'll draw your whole line from down to that left. You need a calculator, Rafi? Huh? You don't share it on the exit because we're all talking. Give him that back, I'll give you a calculator. 1 second. Because I don't have to answer your question, I do want to make that clear. You need a calculator, right? Once again, I told you all to tell your parents you need a calculator. Why? Not enough calculators in this room. No, I told your parents in the beginning of it. You guys said, "God, can you share? Please, do not talk. Just slide back and forth. That's not my problem. I've been saying it. Now, you had a question. You want a 0? No. Why? This says just times this. But you should be able to know that from your notes, sir. Can you put that in there? I don't have one, so you can continue to shoot. Don't talk, just slide it. Because I don't have any.
You help me put this in the calculator?
I cannot help put anything in the calculator.
Oh, bro.
You can leave it like that. You can make it a decimal or you can leave it like that. Okay, that's fine. Can you put that ruler back because you don't need a ruler for this assignment? You call me when you're done playing with the ruler. You done, Rafi?